Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Monday. It's about 4 o'clock. Sorry I didn't vlog earlier in the morning. It's been busy with work. And my update, I weighed in this morning. I weighed myself first thing and I was at 134.5. So dropped a pound. I don't know if weighing myself every day is gonna help much. 'Cause I know it's probably either going to fluctuate by a pound or two or just stay where I'm at. But I'm just going to do it anyway, kind of record my daily progress, and hopefully it just keeps going down. So yeah, I went to the gym after work. I worked on my chest and back, and then I finished it up with 30 minutes of on the treadmill. So, and then afterwards, oh, there's Anthony. Say hi, baby.
Hi, YouTube.
It's been a while since he's been on there too, huh? Yeah. So then afterwards, I had to go to Safeway right after the gym, get him some allergy medication or over-the-counter syrup. So, because he hasn't been feeling well. He actually missed a whole week of Kung Fu last week and one day the prior week. So tomorrow he should be back in Kung Fu class, because at one point in the beginning he had a slight fever and really bad cough, but then it turned into allergies. So we've been giving him cough syrup. He had a cough there for a little bit, so we had to watch that. But doing much better. I think he'll go. You ready to go back to Kung Fu tomorrow? Yeah? Yeah, because he's been cooped up in the house for the last week and a half, so it's time for him to get back out there. So, yeah, like I was saying, weighed in at 134.5. I'm cutting down big time on my carbs and starches, so we'll see how that goes. Probably can cut it down to half of what I'm used to eating, and then maybe half of that.
Look, YouTube.
So on and so on. So, yeah. Just got home. Just resting right now. It's been a long day, and wifey's downstairs in the garage on the elliptical. She actually bought one of those sweatsuits. The one that you put it's almost like a rubber suit that makes you sweat big time. A thermal suit, I guess is what you call it. Something like that. Anyway, she's on there. She got the idea. Has a bunch of people on it. One of the guys I know, his name is Nick Jonas. He's a pretty good actor, so don't judge me, but he is a good actor. So that's a good show. It's called Kingdom. So if you guys have DirecTV, look out for it. It's a good show. It's about a father and sons the father owns an MMA gym, and so that's about it. I'm not gonna go too far into it I'm not going to give you any spoiler alerts. So I think 2 seasons are up. We're hoping that season 3 will come up soon. We don't know when, because we just started watching it. We actually been binge watching it. So we actually got all caught up. So waiting for season 3. We're also getting caught up on Power. We love that show. Empire, I love that show. We're just a bunch of homebodies here, so keeps us out of trouble, and also keeps us from spending money that we don't need to. So being a homebody's all good. Anyway, Anthony, come here. I know you want to say something.
Okay. Look, YouTube. I built this airplane, and I built that airplane for my kuya. Wow.
All right. So yeah, I'm gonna rest up a little bit. Wifey's down in the garage doing her cardio. Chris is working on his car. Me and Anthony, we're just chilling here in the room. Actually, I'm probably gonna move over to my man cave.
Yes.
And just chill, and he's actually watching his cartoons in my man cave right now, but it's time to take over. Time to take over my man cave back. Take it back. So anyway, I'll let you know. I'll get back to you guys here in a few once. Show you what we're having for dinner, and for now, I'll see you guys soon. So stay tuned. All right.
Smash the like button.
What you get? We just got back from DQ Dairy Queen.
YouTube, I got Oreo. So yummy.
Royal Sunday. No, Royal Blizzard, which is actually it has Oreo cookies and fudge.
What is the ice
And then
cream?
I got a Sunday Blizzard. And Sharon got a strawberry Oreo, custom made.
That's right, YouTube.